Students, once again I am here with our next topic of next class, class 10th economics, chapter 1 development. In the earlier video I had gone through the class 9th economics chapter 1, and in this video we are going through the class 10th economics first chapter development. When we are thinking of this term development, what is development? Normally a person thinks विकास, किसी चीज़ का बढ़ना, हम कुछ सोचें और वो हमारा मतलब इंक्रीज होने लगे, कुछ भी होने लगे, हम वेल्थ की बात करें या अपनी स्टडीज़ की बात करें तो डेवलपमेंट कि हमारा डेवलपमेंट क्या है. बट व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इकोनॉमिक्स, इट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द डेवलपमेंट इन द सेंस ऑफ आवर कंट्री, इन द सेंस ऑफ द इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस ऑफ अ पर्सन. हम किसी के आर्थिक विकास पर बात करते हैं, हम अपने देश की बात करते हैं. ओके, बात यहां पर आ जाती है कि जब डेवलपमेंट जो ये वर्ड है, दिस डेवलपमेंट वर्ड इज नॉट वेरी न्यू एंड इट नॉट ओनली correspond to the field of economics. This development word have its roots in the history also and in the political science. How in the history and the political science? History, we see the development of our art, of our agriculture, architecture, economics. You have heard about Arthashastra written by Kautilya. Okay, that was an development in the field of the economics. The ideas suggested by great Kautilya, that was development. What Aryabhatta has given, what Varamir has given, that was development in the field of science. All we get from the history. And then in the political science, what our government is doing, how the world is transforming themselves into a democratic countries. They are leaving that idea behind. Now, all these aspects we have to study in the history and the political science. They all becomes incredibly very important for this term development. But is development same for everybody? क्या सभी के लिए सबका विकास एक जैसा होता है? We have a population of more than 130 crores. Are the thinking views of development of all the persons are same? No, because when we talk about the views, it depends on the individual difference. Each and every person has its different views. Sometimes we see that some persons have same views, but when we go into the deep, we will find that there are some little bit difference between those views also. Okay, our next topic is different people, different goals. Each and every person has its concept, has its ideas about a certain thing. They think how they can achieve their development. They have their different views, they have their different ideas, they have their different platforms to achieve that thing. In that context, I will go through some examples of a farmers, boy and girl and a woman. Okay, first of all we go to the farmers. Farmers, there are different type of farmers in our country. Those who are very rich, those who are mediocre, those who are having very less piece of land, and those who do not have any piece of land, means those who are landless farmers. जो landless farmers हैं, what is the development for them? They can get more and more work and good wages. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम मिले और अच्छी तनख्वाह भी मिले उनको, जो दिहाड़ी जिसे हम बोलते हैं, रोज का जो पैसा मिलता है. That is development for a landless farmer. When we talk about the farmers which are having piece of land, they want more and more production. And when we talk about the farmers which are having huge amount of land, they are wanting a good minimum support price from the government side. They want more and more profit. They want some support from the government. Okay, so when we talk about the farmers, there are different development of each and every farmer. Okay, the landless farmer will work on the field of the large farmers, and he want to extract more and more money from that large farmer, and the large farmer wants more good selling price, minimum support price from the government. Okay. Next is boy and girl. When we come in the context of gender, in our society we are very much aware of that ki boys and girls both are treated unequally. Nowadays education has changed a little bit, the thinking of the parents, but still when it comes to a single thing and they both are there, then the preference is always given to the boy. A girl wants the same treatment and the respect from his brother and his family as his brother is getting in the house. What the work she is doing, she should be respected by his brother. At the same time, the brother do not like to work like the domestic works. He feels his development in getting a sporty bike, going for higher education abroad. These are the development for the boys, and girl can be the development perspective of a girl can also be at the higher education. But the most important is respect, which she is not getting, equality, which she is not getting. And when we come to the broader aspect, that is women. Everybody respect that woman which is earning money. Everybody respect that woman which is earning. Okay. But that woman, when she comes back after doing a lots of work, hectic daily schedule, she comes back to her house and then she have to deal with the domestic works. Nobody is there to help. And if at that time she says that today I am tired, I am unable to do the domestic work, that time the family members point out, I do the housework. So the development that woman at that stage, the development for that woman at that stage is that when she comes from his office, she should get support from his family, at least from his husband. Understood? She should be respected, equally respected for the work she is doing, like his husband. He is also going out for earning. He is respected, like now he is coming in the house and he is getting a cup of tea and nobody is asking for any work because he is tired. And the woman also comes from his office, but nobody is thinking about herself that she is also tired. So the development perspective can be different for different. One other example can be of Adivasis. There you have heard about the industrialists. They are going to the forest areas, cutting down the forests, just establishing the industries for the need of the raw material. This is the development for them because they want to establish the industry where they get the ample amount of raw material. But for the Adivasis, the development for them is that they get fair deal from the governments. At least they get the basic amenities from the governments. They have lost their houses. वो अपना घर खो देते हैं. आदिवासी का घर है जंगल, वो अपना घर खो चुके हैं. Now they want help from the government. If government gives them the good deal of help, health facilities, education facilities, proper food arrangements, and to give a place for the shelter, then it will be the development for the Adivasis. So this is with this topic. Different people have different goals. I think so. You all have understand. At the same time, same position, same task can be a development for the other and can be a drawback for the other. Okay. Our next topic is income and other goals. Income and other goals. In this topic, One of our important thing in our life when we become go into the field of occupation is that we should get good income, good salary, good wages when we are in the field for our occupation work. Okay, so is the income all, is the money all for us? All the heavens, all the earth, whatever the thing in this earth is money. पैसा ही सब कुछ है. Can we buy each and everything from the money? If we go in the we can say in the practical terms, then we can say that it is yes. Why not? We can buy each and everything from the money. Good medical facilities, good education, good lifestyle, each and everything. But there are some indicators which do not, which we cannot, they are not materialistic, which we cannot touch. They are unmaterialistic, which we do not touch. Those are equal treatment, respect in the society, security, and respect for others. Suppose you are working in a firm as a senior employee. You are having good income, you are having good amount of salary, but you are not respected by your juniors. How do you feel? The day, starting of the day, your mood is very fresh. You are entering into the office and you are not getting any type of attention from your juniors. No good morning, no hi, no respect. Why? Because of your behavior. At this time, I just want to say you that, is your money giving you that respect? No. Because your behavior is not good towards your colleagues, your juniors. Hence you are not getting the respect. So respect is that thing which can be earned by your behavior, not by the money, not by the good income. Okay? Then the next thing is equal treatment. In the working places, equal treatment and security, these are the two things which in the private sector and nowadays in the government sector also, the security and the equal treatment for the women, it is a major issue for the women especially, that they are not getting the equal treatment in the offices or the working places, neither they are getting the security. A woman is having a very good post and still she is not treated equally in the society. What the hell that money will do? Is she is getting the equal treatment what her husband is getting in the house? जो उसके हस्बैंड को उसके घर में इज्जत मिलती है, क्या वो उसको मिल रही है? नहीं. Still the decisions of the house are taken by the consent of the male in the family. And when we talk about the income of the female or the wife is much more than the husband. So these things, by the good education we can change the idea of these families, thinking of these families. So it is very necessary that we should not only focus towards the income, we should all focus all these four indicators and many other more are in the society. When you work, you will feel that a good income with all these unmaterialistic things will make you a more happier person, a more prosperous person. Okay? Because when you are getting, suppose that example is given in your NCERT books, that a person is getting a handsome salary and he is not getting the security, he is not getting the paid leaves, उसको ना छुट्टियां मिल रही हैं, ना उसको कोई सिक्योरिटी, जॉब सिक्योरिटी है, लेकिन बस एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी है, दैट इज़ कि उसकी इनकम बहुत ज़्यादा है। लेकिन वहीं पर एक जॉब ऐसी है जहाँ पर इनकम ठीक ठाक है, लेकिन जॉब सिक्योरिटी है, ठीक है, रहने को जगह दिया है उसको, प्लस और पेड लीव्स हैं, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, विच प्लेस, विच इंस्टीट्यूट or the which organization he will join that organization in which the income is little bit low but all the other perspectives are fulfilled, in which he will feel relaxed. When the security is, job security is there, you feel relaxed. Okay, our next topic is national development. National means development of nation. The national development consists of two main categories, I think so, and that is government and its population. These are the two indicators in my perspective, that these are the two things which can develop a country if they are working with each other, cooperating with each other, एक दूसरे के साथ मिलके काम करें, एक दूसरे को समझें, अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो। अंडरस्टैंडिंग मीन्स यहाँ पर अगर हम देखें तो कुछ चीजें जो बात आती हैं, दैट इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड कोऑपरेशन। नेक्स्ट वन, understanding, cooperation, and the next and the most important is communication. These are the three things which can make the government and the population of this country working together in a positive way. The one is understanding each other, the other one is cooperation. Okay, they should be cooperative with each other. There are certain situations, in the present we are having a situation, an epidemic we are facing, COVID-19, in which the cooperation of the population of the country is very much necessary for the efficient working of the government. And the last and the most important, I think so, that is communication. Not only communication, I have written healthy communication is very necessary. Healthy communication means where we do not argue, where the debates turns into positive results. जहां पर अगर हम बहस करें, डिस्कशन करें, तो उसके पॉजिटिव वाइब्स, पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स हैं, ना कि ये जो हम लोगों ने, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम ये भी देखते हैं दैट व्हेन आवर लोकसभा, आवर पार्लियामेंट इज गोइंग ऑन, देयर आर मैनी टाइम्स व्हेन आवर स्पीकर, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर says that the day's proceeding ends due to the too much noise. So this is not good. The population is looking towards the government and the government is doing what? They are arguing with each other. They are not giving their 100%. Hence it is very necessary that the healthy communication spirit should be developed among the government persons also. Government, all three forms, central, state, local, they should also cooperate with each other, have some healthy dialogues with each other. Whatever the schemes should be there, they should be in the favor of the population of the country. And when the situation comes, the population or the mass of the country should also cooperate and support our government. Okay? When these things will happen, when the government, all the levels of the government will work smoothly, the population of that country, the human resource of that country will understand their duties. हम सब अपने जब कर्तव्य समझेंगे कि हमारा ये कर्तव्य है कि हम अपने देश के डेवलपमेंट के लिए कुछ काम करें, then the national development can be achieved.